Hello. Thank you for joining us today to learn how to manage your investments. Start by making sure you are logged into your online account through yourMONEY. If you need assistance logging in, please call a member service representative at the number on the screen. The easiest way to place a trade in your online account is to go to the blue Shortcuts box in the upper right-hand corner and then click on Explore My Options under Manage Investments. For our example today, this is an IRA account. If you have our IRA account, you will have two options, either our model portfolios or you can choose your own investments. If it's a 403(b) account, there will be an automatic investment option for our target retirement funds. If you choose a model portfolio, highlight that section and click Continue. Here are your model portfolio options. To invest in one of our models, you need to make sure to complete the Risk Tolerance Questionnaire. There is a link right above the models. Another way to access it is by the link on your screen. You can fill in the questionnaire on our website. If you have already filled one out through your application, that would satisfy the requirement. Make sure to complete a risk tolerance questionnaire every 3 years when it is sent to you to make sure that your risk tolerance is accurate. This allows us to make sure that you are in the appropriate model portfolio. Once you fill in your information, it will walk you through a set of questions. If you have any questions regarding the risk tolerance questionnaire, feel free to give us a call. When you have completed the questionnaire, it will be sent to us, and then you will be able to select which model portfolio that you would like to be in. Under each portfolio, you can view what the investments are within that model. Each model has a Prudential Guaranteed Investment. This one has 60%, which corresponds with that first number listed after the model portfolio. If you choose to go with one of these models, you just select the circle to the left of it and click Continue. To put that trade through, just make sure to review the screen and make sure it all looks accurate for what you choose. Each model portfolio rebalances to those percentages that you saw listed every July 1st. You can click Submit and that trade will go through. If you decide to go with a different investment option, you can go back and choose My Own Investment Choices and create your own account. In this screen, under My Own Investments, there's 3 main options for you. If you just want to move from one investment to a new one, you can choose Exchange and click Continue. On this screen, you are going to choose which investment the money is moving from or out of. There is a drop-down box you can click and it will show all of your investment choices there. Say you don't want to be in international funds anymore. You can either choose to move all of the money from that fund or just some of it. If you only want to move a portion of that, you will select Some. You may choose a dollar amount that you would like to move, let's just say $100, and then you would click Continue. If you decide to do a percentage, that percentage is the percentage of that investment. It would not be the percentage of your full account. You can go ahead and click Continue. This next page will show all of our investment choices, and you can decide where you want to move your money. If you want to move that example of $100 to this investment, you would type that in the corresponding box on the far right. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Continue. This screen again will review to make sure that that is what you want to do. Then you click Submit. When you click Submit, it brings you back out to the last screen you were on before going into Make a Trade. If you choose to rebalance your entire account and the percentages, then you will see the same list of investments and you can enter new percentages. Make sure that when you enter these new percentages, the number in the top right corner equals 100%. When that happens, at the bottom, it will ask you if you want those percentages to also affect any new money that comes into the account. For example, from your bank account each month or through payroll deduction from your district. If you do want it to be the same as these new percentages, click Yes. If you don't want it to be the same, then click No and Continue. If you just want to change how new money comes in and leave your current account as is, then select Future Investments. It's the same list of investment options and you can enter new percentages for incoming funds. For example, if you only want money to come to this investment, then you can enter that percentage, and again, the top right should say 100% when you're done. Then click Continue. Now this screen is going to ask how often you want to rebalance your account. You have the option to set up automatic and the frequency of rebalancing, or submit new investments when you would like. If you do want it to automatically rebalance, you can choose Yes, and then decide how often. Be aware that if you select a specific date, any changes won't go through until that date. That is how you will choose your investments and make a trade. If you have any questions while placing trades, one of our retirement specialists can always assist over the phone. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Member Benefits.